What's going on eBay? It's Rock from Rock Shop. If you don't know who I am, I'm a full-time reseller. I sell on eBay, mainly my main platform. I also do Amazon, Poshmark, Mercari, and a little bit of Facebook Market. I'm going to show you how to use Photgrid. It's an app on your phone where you can put multiple pictures into one picture, which is really convenient if you need to if you need extra photos in your eBay listings, because you get 12 photos. And sometimes also it's a reason because it looks nice, crisp and clean, and I just think it looks really professional. It looks really nice. But that's just my opinion. You may have other opinion. You may use white backgrounds. I do use white backgrounds for multiple things, for other items. But anyway, let's get right into the video and let's switch over to my phone. Okay, now we're going to show you how to use Photgrid. I'm going to go into my eBay. I already have all my pictures taken. Always make sure that I leave 2 leftover pictures, one for Sizely, and then one for Photgrid. So we're going to go out of that. Always have Photgrid right next to. We're going to hit grid, and we're going to choose our photos. I always choose 4 photos. I do the whole picture, the close-up, the tag. I usually do 3 pictures of just the full photo, the close-up of the lapel, the brand, and then maybe the size, or it depends on what you're doing, but I'm going to do 4 pictures because of the camel hair. So then you click on the top left, and then there's a watermark in the bottom. You can actually change it. I have it. It says Rock Shop, but I'm going to take that out. I'm going to hit watermark, hit X, hit yes. That's gone. You can swipe in and out, swipe them in and out, kind of arrange them where you want. I'm gonna enlarge that, and there you have it. Hit save, and it's done, and it will be saved into your photos. So I'm going to click here, select from gallery. I'm going to hit more because it's not in my photos that I took, because it's not a actual photo that you took, that you take. So I'm going to hit more. Okay, and then there it is, and there's my picture. And I always use that as my first picture. I understand you should have a white background. There's my photo of my blazer. It's not really a blazer. It's actually a vintage Hart Schaffner Marks 100% camel hair sport coat, because it's a little bit heavier. I would imagine it's not a suit jacket. There's no size for the pants. It's a little older. That's the old label. But anyway, I'm kind of getting off subject. That's how you use Photgrid. I use Photgrid. That's what my first picture is going to look like. So far, that's been working for me. So I always save the last picture for Sizely to put my sizes in. Sizely is another app that you can download to use it actually on your desktop. And you put all your measurements in the photo so that people will see that. So what I do is, in the description, I always put the very first thing that says in the description for Sizely is, please look at the last photo for for sizing. Thank you. That's all I have. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick, and I'm out. Okay, that's all I have for you guys now. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, please smash that like button, hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post new videos, and subscribe to my channel, please. I appreciate all of the support and all the views and likes and comments. Let me know how this works out for you guys, if it works for your business model. All comments are welcome. Thank you for watching, and peace out.